Hi guys, welcome to the Actim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Gmail address. So basically the truth is you cannot change your Gmail address. Okay, it is fixed and remains still. I'm showing you the truth or showing you the proof that you cannot change it, so don't need to try. Here you can see personal information. In contact info, here's your email. This address cannot be changed. The address used to identify Google account and your others, you can change this address. Okay, so this address cannot be changed, but what you're gonna do is you can open a new Gmail account and you can link to this account for forward messages, so that what gonna happen, if someone send email to this Gmail account, your mail will be forwarded to your new Gmail account. Okay, so if you want this video tutorial how to do it, please comment below. I will make a video for you on it. Okay guys, so guys, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you like this channel. Thank you.